Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A25 message notifications not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open Settings app. Now in Settings app, scroll down and here open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here open a app you are using as default messages app and then scroll down and here click on force stop to force stop the messages app, and after that go back to settings again and now click on battery and device care. Now here scroll down and click on software update and then click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. And after updating your mobile software, go back to settings again and then scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. And after that, scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here click on reset settings again to confirm and then enter your lock screen password here.